Hey, it's Mike with the Lambo. I just got my new steering wheel in. I'm gonna unpackage it right here. Kind of excited. So I'm unpackaging it with you. We're gonna take a look, see what this looks like. It's a carbon fiber steering wheel. Whoa. It's pretty awesome. Wow, it's really nice. That looks really good. So that one will be replacing that one in there. See, I started doing some carbon fiber in the council, stuff like that. I have carbon fiber side skirts and carbon fiber spoiler and rear diffuser as well. So this will be a nice addition to it right here. And I will be making a video of me installing it so you can take a look and see my progression through this when I put it on. But this looks pretty awesome. Very excited to put this on. All right, so we're gonna get this steering wheel on, the Gallardo. And the first thing I'm gonna have to do is hop in here. And then I'm gonna have to give it a nice start. It's a little dark in here. Maybe we can turn the light on, there we go. I love cold starts, they're so freaking loud, especially this has a Quicksilver exhaust on it, so it's pretty epic. There you go. So you have to turn it 90 degrees because we're gonna have to access, there's some nuts in here so we can get into, so we could turn that. And then I believe there's another one down here. I think it's a torque spit, they call it. So we're gonna try to get in there and then we'll loosen that up. But first we have to unplug the battery. So we'll unplug the battery because we don't want this airbag to explode in my face, which would not be nice. So the battery is off, and now we just got to figure out which torque spit we have to go to unscrew the steering wheel. We're going to tackle that next, and I'll get this right off. So that's where we're at for now. So this landed up being, hold on, turn this fan off. So this landed up being a T30 to get this off, and I think it should be loose now. We'll attempt to pop the middle part off. Will be with me when I do this. My headlight on, let's see here. It should come out, yep. And it does come off just like that. So I'll go ahead and get all this unplugged, and then I'll pull that out just right there. It's a little, what have you been doing? So I'll pop that off, and then we'll start getting the steering wheel off. So that's the next step. So the T30, again, was the right size to get that off. It's one of these, T30. All right, so the next step we got to do is pop this off. I just found the right one, and this one is a T55. And I will be turning this counterclockwise, of course, and then we'll pop this one off. So that's the next step right there. And here you have it right here, and with a slight wiggle, it should pop off just like that, and it's off. And we got it out here. And now we're gonna be ready to put on our brand new one. So you can see the old one there. All right, so I got everything plugged back in, and that's the new steering wheel right there. I think it looks awesome. Goes well with the carbon fiber I already have in there. See there. So just a look, and that's it. It's pretty simple to do. It took me about probably 30 minutes total. That's it. So.